Today, e-commerce is more popular than ever before. The convenience and popularity generates new waste stream challenges. Single-use disposable plastics, in the form of millions of plastic mailers worldwide, find their way into our homes and eventually into our landfills. There has to be a better way. We need to find a sustainable solution. What can we learn from nature? The honeycomb structure is nature's marvel of engineering. It's rigid and compact and shaped to create strength in all directions. What if we combined nature's structure to create a paper mailer? One that uses supports and protects in all directions, edge to edge and seam to seam. Our engineers designed and developed a proprietary process that did just that. And the Curby Mailer was born. To ensure your complete satisfaction, this product has gone through independent testing protocols, like ISTA testing for shipping performance and OCC testing to ensure recyclability. With the introduction of the Curby Mailer, e-commerce has a new story to tell. A story of sustainability, and one tied to complete customer satisfaction. A new user experience, where your customers can know that their purchase is going to get to them safely with the performance of the Curby Mailer, and that their actions after the purchase will not harm the planet. Your customers can enjoy the convenience of online shopping for the things they love. Experience the outstanding performance of your brand's promise, and do so knowing that they are contributing in their small way to a wider circular economy. Once the Curby Mailer enters the recycling stream, it is processed and reconstituted into new sustainable paper-based products. Look for more packaging solutions with Curb Appeal at mycurby.com.